Okay, we found everyone. We are just packing up the car, getting ready to go to the hotel. Everybody make sure to bring your pets and just praying for everyone's safety. Okay, we're getting out of here. So we made it down the mountain, stopping at the gas station. The puppies are scared. You can smell all the fire down here. I'm just glad we're all safe. It's okay, baby. Hey guys, we just pulled over because I saw this big red cloud. This camera does not even do it justice. It literally looks like hell has taken over. It's so big, it's so red. My thoughts and prayers are with everyone tonight. I'm really praying this stops soon.
Paris Hilton bundled her babies into a car and fled her Malibu mansion in the middle of the night before the wildfires burned her home to the ground. The heiress shared a video on X of her dogs in the back of her car as she packed up to evacuate the dangerous situation and head to a hotel. The clip showed her animals all gathered together on the back seat as she described running around her home to find each of her pets.